This very last video dealing with clipping masks is to teach you that you can actually make your own silhouette. So I provided you with silhouettes for your last assignment, but I want you to understand that you can make your own. So here's how you do it. It's very similar to things you've already done. I'm going to create new. Letter size is fine. I'm just demonstrating. I'm not going to save this, as this is just going to be a very, very quick lesson. So let's just say that I'm looking at pictures and I happen to know I have a cute little dog on my desktop, and here's the dog. Okay, I'm going to enlarge him just a little bit. I'll go to view, zoom in. He's very cute. And up till now, I really have focused on only one selection tool with you, and that is Select Subject. And that, of course, is the easiest one to use. Our next project, I will be teaching you a lot of other selection tools. But for now, since we know how to use this one, we're going to use it. And you can see the dog is there. The only thing missing is his tail. So since I don't want to ignore his tail, I hit select and mask. Right now it is set on white. White would be okay. I think I'd rather do, nope, don't want to do that. I'm going to set it on black, and I'm going to increase the opacity. Not too much though, because what I need to do is bring his tail out. So I'll sort of go about here. What I'm doing is I'm adding in the tail, so the plus sign needs to be checked. And then the paintbrush right now is set on 7. So I can make it a little bigger. And I'm just going to go in here and make sure that his little tail doesn't get ignored. I want him to have a tail. I might need to make the brush a little smaller to get to the tip of his tail. But the idea is that I want to have the entire dog. As you know, when we did our collage, you didn't always have to do this. A lot of times it was already set for you. So if it's already set for you, that's great. But since his tail was missing, I wanted to make sure we got that added in. So now his tail's there, and I'm simply going to click OK. And you can see that now when you look at those marching ants, his tail is also selected. So here's what I wanted you to know about making a clipping mask. So I change over to the Move tool, and I'm going to place him in my blank document. I have a blank document there. So I will click on him, and I'll just start to move him over to my blank document. And then I'll bring him back, and there he is. He's kind of small, and I don't want to stretch him out, but I'm going to kind of get him in there. And he's going to become a silhouette. So right now he just looks like a dog, but I'm going to now click check. I'm going to now go to place embedded. I'm going to select a picture. I'll go to my clipping mask file. There it is. Any picture I can do to show you this. So let's just say I go to this sort of galaxy picture and I place it, okay? And the galaxy picture right now is a little bit small. I'm going to turn it so that it goes with him a little better. Stretch it out so that it covers him completely. I need to click the bottom right corner of that picture, okay, to turn this into a smart object. I now will go to Layer, Create Clipping Mask, and now my dog has become a clipping mask. So again, up till now, I just showed you how to use regular silhouettes, but you can make your own silhouette. And so enjoy.